Challenge number 527. Append to object. Implement a type that adds a new field to the interface. The type takes the 3 arguments. The output should be an object with a new field. So I would try to do it with the map type and say key in key of t, and then we do t key, and we intersect that with an object that is key in u with a value of v, and we constrain u to property key. So this works, but the tests do not pass. Let's check this out with our own type. So the result is key cat value green intersected with home boolean is the exact same type as this, but it doesn't pass the equal. So the intersection does not pass the equal, so we have to put all of this in one map type, and we're going to do this with key in key of u, key of t union u, and then we have to check here key extends key of t, then we're going to call tk, otherwise we put in v. And that makes all test cases pass, and we see here in our test type that it's now the entire object and no intersection. Alright. Let me know in the comments what you think about this solution. What is your solution? Do you have like a smarter one, a cleaner one? Please let me know, and see you in the next one. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.